So I had to quick shoot some video of this project. So we got a little cat, what is this? 908 M. Anyways, hammered out center hole. This one has these sphericals in it. Now, I didn't show all the pain and agony of getting this set up, but I've got the same, I call it blind hole attachment, but what do you want to call it, 90-degree angle plate attachment for my climax setup that I had on the shredder we just did. And the reason is just quite simply, this has a weird flexible link up here. There is no top bore to line up with. So anyways, what I did was stuck this on here. It was quite a pain because there's not a big enough flat area for me to get both of my hold-on studs that I use on here. That's why I've got this clamp. Another one back there because I'm on with just 1 5/8 stud. But anyhow, and then to make it more exciting, this plate was not true 90 to that bore. So I have this designed with leveling screws in it. So I started playing with that, leveling around, centering up, and then it's hard to tell it now, but this is a machined face here. And I put a dial indicator on the end of my bar and kept sweeping that face. I got it within 5 thousandths total indicated run out. And honestly, that's about as good as you're gonna get set up like this. It's just, we're at a crazy angle here. I'm having to literally tap stuff around and tinker with it. So I've got it as centered in the bore as I can get it, and within 5 thou run out on the face of that. And the problem is, it's not just that it's all tipped, right? If it was just that I was out a square to it, I'd play with it more, but this thing's a little bit bent, so it's like goes high, goes low. So I picked the best average I can find, and we'll go ahead and bore it there. So I've welded it up by hand, and now I'm just getting ready to set up the boring rig, and I'll probably shoot some footage of it cutting. All right, we're on our first pass through here. Just about out the top now. Alright, so that was first pass. I just touched off on what was left of the shoulder down there and cut it back flush with the shoulder. See, quite the honky setup. We're just barely clearing the floor with this contraption. But we're getting her. Alright, I got so busy I forgot to shoot any more video, but we did get her done. See a few little pock marks here and there, but really came out pretty nice. I've got more pock marks on this backside. I had to weld completely blind from there to there. I'd stick a mirror up, kind of figure out where to aim the gun, flip the helmet down, weld a little bit, but it's not bad. Should be nice and tight. We put 4 thou press on. It looked to me like the factory was running about 2, so we doubled that to about 1 thou per inch. Hopefully she don't come loose again. But anyway, you can see just a little bit on the edge didn't fill in, but nobody cares about that. She's good to go. Anyway, considering that was a hand-welded bore, I'm pretty happy with that. It's not at all uncommon to see more pocks and pitting in there when I've got to hand-weld them. So anyway, that's it. This is a wrap. I'm going to pick her up and get out of here.